All right, y'all. So we're going to install this fuse cover on this AT4 behind us. Minimal tools needed. Velcro strips, cover requires zilch, but you are going to need some rags and some degreaser. The goal here is just to clean up any loose dirt, any residual oil. So degrease it good, dry it real good. While this dries, go through your path. So you know if anything's in your way, you can push it up and out of your way. It's a very snug fit right on over like so. I'm going to put the Velcro strips on the factory cover first. You don't have to do it this way. If you want to put it on your cover first, you can. You'll also notice the notches on our fuse cover give you access to these two clips right here, so you can still remove the cover easily. So again, these notches and that facing the motor, slightly lift up on this coolant hose. And there you have it. Fuse cover for the 20 to 24 L5P Duramax in Brass Monkey.